Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create elevation profile in Google Earth, also how to download topographic maps using Google Earth Pro, and how to digitize point, line and polygon. Suppose if I want to see an elevation profile of this area, so for that what I will do, I will take add path option is there, so I will digitize here. After digitizing, if you want to change a color, we can change from here, and if we want to increase the width, we can increase, and OK. After that what I will do, I will right click here, the file which we have saved, right click and show elevation profile option is there. So after clicking it, you can able to see an elevation profile. As I am moving arrow below, the above arrow is also moving, so we can able to see the elevation profile of that area, elevation profile at that point. So again you can able to see here elevation decreases, again elevation increases, again decreases. In this peak, here again elevation increases, again it decreases. Like this you can able to see an elevation profile here. It's showing a distance, it covering a 8.44 kilometer distance, and maximum slope of the area and average slope it's showing. Again I will show you a profile for the Himalayan region. So here is a Himalayan mountain. If I will add profile from Himalayan mountain, so it will show a decreasing path, show elevation profile. So now you can able to see, as we are moving away from Mount Everest, as we are moving away from Himalayan mountain, the elevation is decreases. As we are moving away from Himalayan mountain, elevation decreases. Like where if you want to download topographical map for the Google Earth, we'll type US Army Maps KMZ. US Army Maps, I will click here. So now it's downloading below. So I will click here and open. So I will click here as a US Army Maps. Grids we can able to see. So if you want to download this topography map, we'll click here. Suppose for the Bhopal area I want, I will click here, and map you can click or you can right click and open in new window. It will take little bit time as per our internet. So now it's loading. We can able to see topographical map here. So its topographical map is downloaded here for the Bhopal area. You can download for any area. We'll open this. If you want to download it, we'll open. So you can able to see latitude, longitude. These are the series ENF 43/4. All this detail is here. You can right click and save picture as in any folder you want to save. Like this you can download topography sheet. After that, if you want to digitize point, line and polygon in Google Earth, that also we can digitize. So first I will zoom here. Suppose this area if I want to digitize in Google Earth, what I will do, first I will digitize a road. For that I will take as a add path option is there. So like this you can digitize a road. If you want to change color, width, you can change from here. Suppose if I want to if I want to show you a point feature, then I will click here as a add place mark. Suppose this point is there and I want to name it Somaji Guda. Again, if you want to show another point, this Durga Nagar, we'll go to add place mark and we'll replace the name as a Durga Nagar. Nishant Bagh Colony. Like this you can digitize line, point and polygon. I will show you polygon. So after that I will digitize this polygon, Hussain Sagar Lake. So here is the option, polygon option is there, add polygon. I will click here and I am roughly digitizing. I am showing you roughly digitization. So if you want to give any name here, you can give name and style. If you want only outline, we'll select as outline. Now I will give here as a Hussain Sagar and I will press OK. Like this you can digitize point, line and polygon. You can download topographical sheet and also you can see elevation profile. So thank you for watching my video.